switch body from a Savage switch, APM A01 series switch body. Wanted to make a socket for it, which I did. This socket uses these style of female pins. Once in place, it will not push out unless you use a pin removal tool. It's a snug fit. Not going to come off easily. Yeah, it's on there good. To further secure it, just run a band of electrical tape around the top. Put the throttle bodies on for their permanent home, take that off, clean the flange, put the O-rings in, slap it back on, torque it down. I kind of wish that GBS had machined the throttle bodies to use sword O-rings. To chase the threads on this hole because they were a little bit gacked. Now it's a fairly shallow, so I'm going to have to use a much shorter bolt for this guy.